It asks that you agree that you have provided the client with the advice and that you have just used our research tool. The suitability text is then available for you to copy, cut and paste into your Word document or whatever you're using. The letter will need topping and tailing, but it sets out the information that you have provided to the LifeQuote portal about your client. It confirms how old the client is, what they do for a living, how much that they earn, when they're planning on retiring, who their dependents are, and you can see that it uses the dependents' names, household expenses, for example, how much the mortgage is outstanding for how many years, how much this costs each month, and how much their additional household expenses are. It also confirms how many weeks a client is able to cover their monthly commitments based on the sick pay and savings that were advised. It then confirms the protection choices and the order that they were put into. It confirms that the client has a full benefit plan with bright grey. And it then adds in the additional paragraph to confirm why we chose bright grey over Scottish Provident, who were in fact the cheapest provider. The additional benefits that the client had initially said were a priority but were unaffordable are then set out, confirming how much each of the additional benefits would cost the client monthly. It confirms that the benefits that were not included, as there is an existing policy in place, and it enters here the details that we've given, confirming why we chose not to provide an income to cover the mortgage payments if the client was made redundant. It then goes through each of the benefits that the client has chosen in full detail, confirming things like the reduction rate that is assumed, the deferred periods, and so on. The letter goes through indexation, waiver of premium, how the client makes a claim, and the use of trusts. It summarises that the client should review their protection needs periodically and come back to you, their advisor, from time to time. The example suitability text should be copy, cut and pasted into your Word document to be edited. Please make sure that you read through the suitability text, as it is an example and computer produced. I hope that you have found this session useful. If you wish to know further details about the portal, please refer to the other help guides on the homepage. Thank you.